Okay, this is a simple program for addition of two numbers. Okay, addition of two numbers. We take the input from the user. A simple example, you have gone to supermarket and purchased two items. Atom name is A and B. So here you are entering the first atom cost, second atom cost. Now Python takes input by default string. We convert that string into integer by type cost. That's why we use here integer. Okay, in both syntax we have embedded the syntax with int. Afterwards, this is the sum total z equal to a plus b. The sum of two numbers means whatever is your bill equal to sum of two numbers. Okay, just I run the code to get the output. Enter first number, suppose 11, second number 22, 33. So here you have purchased two items and you have got the bill of 33 rupees in simple words. Now I have to convert this program into inheritance. Okay, first using classes. First we will take the using classes. Okay, already we have covered the classes, basis of classes. So we are skipping that classes here. So already you know what is inheritance. Already I have explained on the board. Single, multiple, multi-level, hybrid. Okay. So here what I do, I divide the work into three classes. Yes, in the first class, here I take input for two atoms or for two numbers. In the first class, what is my class name? First is my class name. Then I calculate the total. I calculate the total in class second. What is the class name? Second. And here I add one more statement here, average. Here I add one more statement. Suppose I calculate average. So here if I want to calculate average of these two numbers, so simply average equal to z by 2. Okay. And here print. Okay. Average is AVG. Run the code. 11, 22. It's simple. So what I am doing now, I am taking input for these two inputs in one class. Then I calculate sum of these two numbers in second class. Then I calculate average of these two numbers in third class. Clear what I am going to do? Okay, now you can see the code here. This is multi-level inheritance. This is the class name first, where I take input for these in these first class name first. Then I create the second class, its name is second. Now I am using inheritance, class name is first. Pass that class name as parameter to the second class. That's it. So what happened? All the data members, all the member functions that are defined in the base class are accessible in the derived class. So here we have not defined any data, we have only defined data member. We have not defined any member functions. Clear? That's why here I have just taken, here I have defined one member function which takes inputs A and B. Okay, and these input is accessible directly in this class. Clear? So here I add one more function of name define add, which calculates the sum of these two numbers. As I told you, all the data members, all the member function in the base class are directly accessible in the derived class. So here there are two ways you can do it. First way, self.z equal to, so z is the local member here in this class, equal to self.a plus self.b. So this self represent this class as well as all the data members, all the member function derived from this class. So even if this cell dot A will refer to this cell dot A, this means cell dot A access in the derived class is referring to this A in the base class. Cell dot B referred here in the derived class refer to cell dot B in the base class, or directly you can access by using A plus B. Means this A will refer to this A, this B will refer to this B. In both way syntax get executed. I have verified it. Clear? Eh? So here total is stored in Z as well as total is stored in Z1. Next, as this is the multi-level inheritance. What is meaning of multi-level inheritance? Here A class defines here A and B variables, and here I calculate its total in, okay, this is the first, this is the first class. This class is derived in second class, okay, and it calculates Z and Z1, and this class is derived in which class? Third class, class name third, okay, which calculates here average. So here you can see this class name first is passed as parameter to class name second, and class name second is passed as parameter to class name third. It's very simple. Just we have to pass class name as parameter when we define another class. Okay. So here this is the member function. Define result cell dot average equal to Z by 2. So what is this Z? This Z is nothing but this Z. You can write Z. You can write cell dot Z. Both are accessible. Okay. Now you can see here print sum of two number equal to cell dot Z. Print average of two number equal to cell dot average. So here I am calculating here, printing here average, and here I am printing this sum value also. Okay. So let us, okay, this is the syntax to declare class name. Now I have to create the objects and call the respective member function. So object dot third equal to third. So here object is third, this class name is third. I create the object of this third using this obj. Now obj dot input. See here input is defined in which class? First class. Add is defined in second class, and result third name was result. So here object dot input, that is calling the method of class first, then add is calling method of second class, and result is calling method of third class. So when you execute the code, you get the output, enter first number, enter 1, enter second number, enter 2, then we get the message sum of two number equal to 2, average of two number equal to 1, and Z equal to. So in this way code executes.